Hi guys, I hope you all are doing great and taking good care of yourselves. Welcome to My Two Bites. I have with me today the BAS bat. People end up pronouncing it as BAS, however you would want to pronounce that. The BAS bat which I have with me, the brand or the product name rather is Boundary. This is one of the bats I remember which used to be very popularly used when in your early or late 90s or early 2000s. This one particular brand, you would end up getting to see that a lot with a lot of players, especially playing in the local fraternities. Now this bat, as you have it in front of you, is a decently single toned bat. There isn't a multiple color apart from this big blemish over here. Now this is how it looks, or this is how it is from the front. It just has this BAS sticker with the product name over here from the front. The handle, as you can see, has a nice two colored grip over here, which is a blue and a white. Now if I were to move it on one side, it again has this BAS engraving on top of it, and the wood also, as you can see, is not too much over here. It's not way too chunky, but good enough. Again, it has a nice sticker over here which says basvampire.com on the side. Similarly, on the other side, you see this BAS engraved on the bat and the same sticker of BAS hash or BAS hyphen vampire.com. That is what you get to see. So this is how the bat looks from the front. If I were to talk about the curving or the scoop of the bat, you can see it from the side. It's nice and curving up over here. It's nice going off from here. The sweet spot of the bat is slightly higher from where typically the sweet spot of the bats are. So this, I believe, will be ideal for the people who like playing those back foot shots. This is what I understand. The wood helps you generate that kind of power when you probably hit the or strike the ball. It takes it off from there. So this is how it is from the side. Not very chunky, but just about there. Now, apart from that, it comes with a nice toe guard onto the bat. You wouldn't want to add a toe guard over here. So this is how it is. And on the front, again, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus grains, slightly angular on the side, on this side. That is, if you were a right-handed batsman, this will be on the inner side. So I don't see it to be a huge worry, and a slight angle over here. So this is something that you might want to watch out for when you're playing, because typically when you would be probably hitting the ball on the edge, there is a tendency of this thing chipping off from this partition between these two grains. That does tend to happen, but I don't see it to be a huge worry. There are just these small, very small knots over here, these small knots over here, and one over here, but nothing very crazy. There's a big blemish over here, but again, this is on the lower half of the bat, so I don't see it to be very disturbing. Now, again, as I mentioned, this is not a very light toned bat. It's decently aged, so it will be fun to play. I'm sure when I try out the ping on this bat, it will turn out to be pretty good, because it's not like a very, very young bat, and it's again not a very old bat. It's not very dark in terms of the color of the wood. So this bat, I would like to now hold it and get the feel of it. Right outside the box, this bat feels slightly on the heavier side. When I had measured the weight, it weighed around 1217 grams. It's slightly over 1200. I am a person who ends up liking something which is in the range of 1150 to 1170, but this again would be liked by people who like slightly heavier bats. So this, by default, although being heavy, has a nice good pickup to it. It has a nice pickup. If right out of the box, I feel the weight distribution being on the upper half more than the lower half. This is what I feel, but I know a lot of people who like it that way. You feel that kind of power when you're holding it on your forearms. The moment you hold it, you can feel that. So there's a lot of nice chunkiness about this bat. So in the drive, in the swing, it is coming out nice, brilliant. Now, if I were to talk about the handle of the bat, again, is not very thick, not very thin, it's just about right. As you can see, my hands are rolling around nicely onto the bat. It's nice and good over there. Now one very important thing that I've been missing to mention is these bats which I have been reviewing, I am getting it courtesy SCS Sports, that is Selection Center Sports. If you stay in Mumbai, you can find their stores at Andheri and Dhobi Talao. They've been around for a good amount of time and they provide a good 25 to 30% discount on these bats. So if I were to tell you, this bat is priced at 8,000 rupees. So you can probably avail a discount of 25 to 30% on this bat if you're buying it from them and if you're located in Mumbai. For a price of 8,000 rupees, I think this bat coming with 6+ grains is a good deal. Now, if you look at the back side of the bat, it has this nice big sticker by BAS and it covers almost half of the bat, and there are these additional stickers. So it's almost covered if you look at it from the back with stickers. So as a nice, good looking bat and a nice color combination of these dark and light blues, it looks very attractive. And again, continuing off onto the handle, the white and the blue also complement very well. So from the looks point of view, this bat does come across as a very attractive bat, very clean from the front, but definitely has these additional stickers, nice stickering on the back, and it looks pretty attractive and nice. And now if we were to talk about the ping, the ping is decent. I won't say it's brilliant. The sound, although it's quite decent, the ping, if I were to look at it from the point of view of it being an 8,000 rupee bat, and with the discount you would end up getting it around say 6,500 rupees. I think it's a decent bat if you are looking out to start out with an English Willow. So it's a pretty decent bat. So you must definitely try it out, and depending also if you like those slightly heavy kind of bats, this bat probably can be the one for you. So these were my thoughts about the BAS Boundary. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I will be coming up with a lot of these cricketing bats and cricketing gear videos, and as soon as I put them online, you will be able to get these. So please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much and take good care. Bye-bye.